Everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com, and today I have this 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Super Sports in stock, ready for new owners, guys. Just completed a Cortez Silver super new paint job January 5th, 2026. Beautiful paint job, guys. We ended up paying about 15 grand to have this paint job done. Our guys took care of us and did us a beautiful job. As you can see, original body, guys, and I'll share that more information with you. Lightly tinted windows. You got the billet specialty wheels on it, dual exhaust, nice front and rear chrome on the trim and everything. Solid trunk. I will pop it open in a little while. Black, beautiful racing stripes have been completed. Vinyl top on this car is in excellent condition, guys. And like I said, straight body, Cortez Silver, newer door handles. This thing is ready to rock and roll. Let's check out what's underneath the hood. So underneath this hood is an upgraded replacement 454 big block, guys. As you can see, you got the Edelbrock Performer 2.0 intake, 4-barrel carb. It's been tuned. Chevrolet valve covers. You got the chrome power steering pump, aluminum setup here in the front for the water pump, upgraded Be Cool aluminum radiator. Super nice, guys. Like I said, headers, Willwood, 138 VIN. Okay, matches everything. Let's make sure this focuses. Okay, you got that as well. There you go. Nice vinyl top, vent windows. Only here for the Chevelle and the vent windows. What does that mean? You can pop those open. Get that fresh air in there, guys. Body is straight. Let's check out the trunk real quick, guys. Why isn't this thing focusing? Hold on. How about that? There you go. There's my focus. Let's check out the trunk now. There's a super solid trunk, all restored. Did a beautiful job. Here's your factory stampings from GM, telling you that this is an original sheet metal quarter. And same on the passenger side, guys, as well. This car is slick. Very, very slick, guys. Rock solid here. Check out that interior real quick. Nice door handles. Beautiful door panels. Door jambs are great. Nice clean weather stripping replaced. Inner outer jambs on this car are excellent and redone with the new door sill plates. This here on the bucket seat I will take care of. Look how clean this is. You got buckets, stock gauges, Hurst shifter, 4-speed manual, nice back seat, package tray, and headliner, guys. Let's check out the passenger side. I'm gonna fire this bad boy up, guys. Look at the pinch welds, all factory. Underneath is super clean. And again, door jambs on both sides are very nice with a nice bucket. Clean. Clean and ready, guys. Did you hear how the door closed? Solid. Super solid. And it looks good. So a few things that are optional on this Chevelle if you wanted to do, and you can roll it into your loan if you wanted to, if you are financing, okay? Here, let me close this. Like I said, brand new Cortez Silver paint, guys. So a few things you can add. Now you can add vintage air conditioning to this car for about $4,500 installed, okay? You can add front and rear LED lights if you wanted to, all right? That cost for front and rear LED lights is $19.95. If you wanted to add a stereo system in this car, meaning 4 speakers and and a nice Bluetooth radio, $19.95 as well. Now you can roll all that into your loan if you wanted to. Let's fire this bad boy up. Great oil pressure. Holy cow. Look how nice this interior is. Baby, baby. Also mount an RPM tach in here if you wanted to. The car comes with no stereo. Okay. Now, horn is not working. Before I ship the car to you guys, I will put it in service again. I already serviced the vehicle as far as I went through it, and now we're going to actually service the vehicle and fix some of the things here. So no horn. When they installed the new steering wheel, they did not do the wiring, so I will be handling that. Okay. As far as the wipers, everything does function there, as you can see. Lights, as you can see, on, off, on, off, okay? Your triple gauge package functions, and everything else does. You got your heat and defrost, that does function. Oops, my hand slipped. So that all works as well. Guys, I would love to take you guys for a test drive, but the weather here is not cooperating. And again, yes, I will fix that. That door closes solid, super solid. Isn't she beautiful? Wow. I really love this thing. We don't get too many 68s, but when I do, just kidding. So listen, if you guys are looking to finance, like I said, you can finance all those options. You can add them into your loan amount. All you'll need is 10% down of the purchase price of the vehicle. You will need good credit. Credit scores start at about 640 to about 770. Okay, rates start at about 8%. You can check out the application at mgmclassiccars.com. Long-term, low payments are available, okay? So that's where you'll find the credit app. Now, if your score is 775 and higher, go to lightstream.com and fill out the app there. They have an unsecured loan up to 84 months. Rates start at 6.49%. So now that you've got all that information, for those of you who do not need financing, you can call or text me with your zip code. I'll get you a quote and have this thing delivered right to your driveway. There you have it, guys. 1968 Chevy Chevelle. Big block 454 4-speed real SS car, 138 VIN. If there's anything that I miss, guys, please text or call me. Okay? 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.